Hey everybody, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota. Let me walk you around this 2014 Silverado 1500 High Country. This truck is the definition of high country. Diamond white metallic, saddle brown leather, just a pretty truck. 6 3/4, 6.5 foot box. Tires are just about half. Four-wheel drive, 5.3 liter. Touchscreen, navigation, remote start, Bose audio, heated and cooled front seats. Just look at those awesome seats. Never had a ball or a plate. Spray in Line-X liner. Tow package. We're going to buy you a 12-month, 12,000 mile powertrain warranty for free that you can upgrade. It's good nationwide. Remember, we're the dealer without the outrageous hidden fees. The oil's just been changed. The tires are at least half, if not better. They're Goodyears. Clear Carfax. Local trade. Yeah, just a really nice truck. Love that diamond white. You can see it at Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota. AutoramaAuto.com. Remember, we'll buy your car. We got your warranty for you. It's ready to hit the road.